Raj taking the lead.
I did mine 1400 again.
1400. And then, like, Motul is a freaking awesome oil, right? Like, super good. It's a great race oil. I knew people that used to run in like their race engines and their Hondas for like autocrossing and shit back in the day. But I'm already doing the AMSOIL thing, and I'm a member, blah blah blah.
You're like, I'm already branded up, so
yeah.
me and AMSOIL are homies.
How often do you need to change your oil on like a new bike?
I like when it's a new bike, I like changing it often just to get all the metal shavings and shit out of the bike. Tranny, primary, everything. I get it all out.
Yeah, so somebody was telling me like when you get up until your 5,000 mile service, just every 1,000 miles.
See, dude, I'm super anal retentive when it comes to fluids. Like, I do all my fluids at 3,000 miles. Even, I mean, I don't even, the oil's still good, but I'm just super picky about it. I'll just do it at 3,000 regardless.
Yeah, man. Better to have like fresh oil than not fresh oil.
Oh yeah. And in Florida, this is it's a high stress environment. You know, it's super hot in the summer, so that takes a toll on the oil. It really does.
And not only that, but like I ride my bike at like 85 miles an hour for close to an hour.
Okay, yeah, for sure, man.
Yeah, those highway miles are better for it though.
Oh yeah, 100%.
All right, what up, Blockheads?
Hey, what's up?
Hi, Potter. So riding the Standard Motorcycle Company at the moment. We're gonna go do a video for Motul, as the guys here have been talking.
Hey.
Changing the oil in the lowrider S here. Gonna meet up with Jason Paul Michaels, do a video for Motul, which is pretty cool. As you guys can see in front of me, riding with Raj and Eric, or Bagger Bro.
Feel like a gorilla. Amy, good gorilla.
Well, isn't that what you named your bike? Silverback?
Silverback, yeah, silverback, dirty girl, fat girl, you know, whatever.
Riri.
It's Riri?
Riri.
See, here we got Bagger Bro, and then we got Raj, the undercover Bagger Bro.
Yeah.
The in the closet Bagger Bro.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, I think since the last time people have seen you, we haven't seen you with your Pelican case bags.
Yeah, super sexy. I like.
Where'd you buy that stuff? Amazon, right? All the attachments and all that?
All of the attachments actually came from, I believe, eBay.
Oh, wow.
Pedro was a big help in like finding and sourcing all the parts. I did not know that there were actual like reputable brands that made stuff, so I just kind of went with whatever Pedro said. But I got the Pelican boxes from Pelican Cases for Less, and they were half the price. And for some reason, it's owned by Pelican.
Huh.
Nice.
But yeah, they were brand new and everything too, so that was nice.
And then I noticed those are the ones with the vacuum release.
Yes.
That's cool, dude.
They're fireproof too.
Alright.
Well, I'm glad to know my drone is in good bags.
Yeah. Dude, those will probably fare better, way better, if like you were to like, I mean, not saying we don't want that to happen, but if you were to go down, whatever's in the cases will be they'll be perfect.
Yeah, those okay, so the cases for the Pelican box, Pelican cases, those are made out of like the same material it looks like as like frame sliders and shit.
Yes, it is. It seems like it, especially when I went to here, hold on. When I went to go mill out the hole for the the bracket attachment, it definitely felt like Delrin. When I was drilling it out, like it cut the same way.
Yeah. So you got like two big ass frame sliders on the back of your Harley.
Hell yeah. I mean, if you think about it, like that's really what it is. The worst that's gonna happen is it's gonna scuff up or bust an $80 case.
Yeah. That's definitely worth the protection of saving like the side of your bike, because they stick out further than your exhaust and your cases too.
Oh yeah, I will happily sacrifice the crash bar and the Pelican case if it means that I don't have to replace anything else on my bike.
Yeah.
And it's literally just attached to the fender, so even if it were to like bend the fender, I'm still good.
Bender the fender? Well, it's attached to that the strut support bracket, like that extends beyond the tailpiece. So even if it were to bend that, you could just chop it off and turn it into a freaking bobber.
By the way, I just wanted to say thank you. I have not had another gas leak since I took off that piece of junk Joker machine cap.
That was a joke.
What? What happened?
That gas cap was a joker.
I had this like little flat ass knurled gas cap for the bike, and it was made by Joker Machine, and it was CNC machined and whatever, and it looked really nice, and I had a lot of great reviews. But for some reason, the little rubber band seal, the O-ring, came off like the first week, and like I reattached it, but every time I'd fill my gas cap, when I'd start the bike, it would spurt gas out of the side.
Oh hell no.
And it fucked up my paint all around my gas cap.
Oh man.
Yeah.
That's so bueno, dude.
Especially on like a newer bike too, man. Like I've never had an issue with paint before, and like that was the first thing that fucked it up. Like really? Oh, I didn't know yours were like all white.
What?
Your signals.
Oh yeah.
It has running lights. They're solid white. They're not halos.
Right.
Yeah. There's like.
There's no ring.
Yeah, there's most of the brands just do like a ring like that. I snagged a couple.
Yeah, not this brand.
And some turn signal relocation brackets. I scored the whole thing on that FXR Dyna page for $75.
Nice.
Given the fact that just the signals alone are $75, and I got relocation brackets, it was great.
Gonna be doing a couple featured videos on them coming up actually, for because they came out with like some new lighting. They sent these, they created these, and then they sent them to me and Miss Block, and then we installed them. We sent them some feedback regarding the lights. They took that feedback, made them a little better, and then they're going to send some updated ones. But yeah, they're plenty bright. And the thing that I like a lot about them is that they go from amber to white to amber to white. Instead of like most of them, they go amber off, amber off. So they're illuminated more of the time.
Yeah, those are pretty pimp. I need to score a pair of those for the front.
Yeah, for sure.
Not a bad idea here.
I'll get in touch with the guy.
Yeah, dude, those look really good. Like I'm looking at just like a picture right here.
See if you had a GoPro on the front of that helmet.
I know. Dude, okay, so my old man bought this, like, I filmed my first video, and it's probably going to be pretty bad, dude. It was hot. Like, install videos suck in the summer, man. Like, I was just, at the end of the video, I was so wore out. I just got all monotoned and whatnot.
Yeah, you gotta learn to keep that enthusiasm through, man. It turns an install or any work on your bike like 4 times longer than what it normally would do.
Dude, it took 7 hours.
Yeah, it takes a lot of patience to do that shit, man.
But then, alright, so my old man bought this little like GoPro knockoff, like a $30 Chinese camera. It had a screen on it and everything. It looked promising. It's like, oh, it'll record in 4K. I'm like, yeah, okay. But we decided to try it out for like the closer shots.
Right.
And so Greg got all the footage and everything, and then like he was rendering and getting it up on his computer. He's like, Eric, that camera is so horrible.
Oh yeah.
It's super grainy. He's like, think about it like this. Think of an old like camera phone from like 2005. I'm like, oh man, that's gonna be horrible.
Yeah, dude. A lot of people go with those cheaper brands, you know the knockoffs. But dude, exactly, like with like little action cameras. I mean, there's people out there that have channels that use them, but you can tell the difference. The image stabilization, the color grading, all that stuff. Side note, my Senna just said low battery, so it's probably about to disconnect. Damn it. And it disconnected. Bye. So, good thing I actually brought a power bank to be able to recharge. So, hopefully I can connect it up. Actually, they have some Senna stuff up at Standard. I just saw them on their Instagram. They were installing some stuff from Senna. I know the new like video thing, so I'll just charge it over there. That sucks. Yeah, I checked it before we left, and whenever you turn them on, it'll basically like flash depending on like your battery level. So like you turn it on, it flashes blue, and then it'll flash red, telling you like what your battery level is. Yeah, and so it flashed 3 times, 4 times is full. So man, those 3 flashes don't last very long. You would think that would mean 75%, right? Not so much. So yeah, I guess Eric was talking about doing some filming. So if you guys don't know, he's actually starting up his own channel. Finally, a lot of you guys out there have been telling him to start his channel, or to start a channel, or saying Eric needs his own channel. So he is finally starting up a channel. And I don't know if he has a URL yet, but I will drop a link in the description down below. But yeah, you guys can find him. I think the name is Bagger Bro. Oh, I know his name is Bagger Bro on Instagram. I don't know if it's Bagger Bro on YouTube. I mean, it will be Bagger Bro on YouTube, which is funny because a long time ago in a video, he sat on a bagger. I'm like, oh, you're gonna be a Bagger Bro now? Oh, wah wah. What you doing there, buddy? Salud. Yeah. Anyways, man, it has been a crazy like past week. Hey, buddy. Yeah, it's been a crazy past week. Harley Davidson came out with the new 2019 models, or 2019 releases, and just been doing test rides like crazy. Yeah, doing test rides like crazy on a lot of the new 2019s. Still got a lot more to do, but yeah, I guess thank you guys for sticking around through all the test rides and new Harley content. Out of all the 2019s though, it feels good to be back on my baby. 2017 Dyna Lowrider S. It's like going on vacation, you know. I think I've even said it before. It's like test riding all these new bikes. It's like, you know, going on vacation, but then by the time you're done, you just want to be like back at home, you know, in your own bed and have your own shower. That's what riding a bunch of other Harleys is like. Going doing those test rides, and then it's like getting back on my Lowrider S. You're like, alright, yeah, like this is why I bought this bike. What's funny though is whenever I was originally doing test rides back in the day, and I had my Iron 883 still, and I test rode this bike, I couldn't stop thinking about it. That's how I knew I wanted it. And sure enough, like a week later, I did a second test ride on it, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna trade for that bike. So I did, but no other bike has made me have that feeling, and I've test rode a lot of bikes. One bike that I was really surprised at was the Road Glide Special 114. Man, like I never thought that I would like a big old bagger like that, but that bike rode really nice. I was pleasantly surprised. Anyway, so later today, actually, after we film for Motul up here at Standard Motorcycle Company with Jason Paul Michaels, we're going to be going to Orlando Harley Davidson, and we're actually going to be going to what they call Chrome Coming. And so it's obviously Chrome Coming, but it's supposed to sound like Homecoming. I thought it was catchy. And so yeah, what that is an event. They basically display the new bikes. You know, you can take them for test rides and all that stuff. So the guys are going to be doing some test rides on them, which is cool. I know Eric said he saw the video for the the 2019 Softail Fat Bob, and he said he wanted to try it out. That bike's a lot of fun. Anyways, we're gonna grab some breakfast sandwiches and stuff real quick before we hit Standard. We'll be right back. All right, we got some food. Gonna head to Standard, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut this episode here. Thanks, homie. Yeah, so the Motul episode is gonna be an episode on its own, so cut this one right now. You guys be sure to go follow these guys, check them out, Instagram, YouTube, all that stuff. I will drop the links in the description below. Yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed the episode. Pretty random, but man, it's a nice change from all the test rides and gear reviews and all that stuff, right? This bike is awesome. Woo! Scraping. All right, hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you did, be sure to hit that like button. If you guys aren't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button as well. Hit the bell icon so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. And until next time, you guys, ride safe out there, stay vigilant. We'll catch you guys later. Deuces. What up, man?
What's up, bro? Just pull it right under that. I'll leave it here for now.
What's up, guys?
What's up,
Boop.
bro? How you doing?
Oh, no, don't you know?
You guys have a good ride?
No, look. Hold on. Calm down. You just woke up. Okay, so you do this, right?
Okay.
I went this.
Okay.
And now you do this.
I do this.
And I do this.
It's like in reverse, so it's like that and like that. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
All right.
It's way too early.
What's up, first?
Having to just be like
What's up, man?
which way are we going?
You want to do the one? We can do the one. Nope. Nope. What are you doing? Huh? All right, we got it. You try it?
Which way are we going? You gotta catch on. It only takes once to twice, right?
Oh, it's a duckhead. What's up, bro?